Hello everyone. Welcome to the instructional video for your course project. When you matriculate to the Canvas site, click on the Modules tab, scroll down to the section where it says Did I pass it up? I did. So go to the section where it says Course Project Module. Then click on the tab that says Personal Finance Plan Project. Okay? Now, there are two files in this section. There is the PDF file with all of the course information that I'm going to actually click on and bring up. And then you have the Excel template that you're going to use to do the actual work. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and download first the PDF file, open that up, and we'll talk about that. So the PDF file has all of the pertinent information about this course. There are 4 sections to your course project. Part 1 gives you information about Brad Brooks, and you have data about his monthly expenses, his income, etc. And for part 1, I'm going to pull up the actual Excel file. You're going to do a personal cash flow and a balance sheet for Brad Brooks for part 1. So let me go ahead and do this. Let me go ahead and go back to the Canvas site and open up the Excel template. And I'll toggle back and forth so you can see what you're going to complete for each section of this project. Okay. So let me go ahead and just open up that Excel file so it'll be ready. How's your day going? Going well? That's great. How's my day going? It's going great too. Thanks for asking. Okay. Now, when the Excel file comes up, which it will in a second, I want to make something clear about how to use the Excel file. When the Excel file comes up, you have to click up top here where it says Enable Editing. This will allow you to actually do work on the Excel file. So when the file comes up, it's in a protected view. You must click here where it says Enable Editing. That will allow you to work on the Excel file. Okay? So I'm going to toggle back and forth a little bit between the Excel file and the project. So let me go here and then back to Excel. Okay, now I'm ready. So for part 1 again, you're given information about Brad Brooks' finances in terms of his annual salary, his disposable income, and all of his expenses. So once you read all of the part 1 information on the Excel file, you'll complete a personal cash flow statement based upon the information presented and a personal balance sheet, which would include his net worth. Then there are some questions that you're going to answer about Brad for part 1 of this project. So all of this information will be completed for part 1 of your course project. Okay? Then there's part 2 that provides you some additional information about Brad and what he's trying to do. So on the Excel file, there's a part 2, and you're going to answer some questions about Brad pertaining how to manage your liquidity. You're going to answer these questions about Brad on part 2 of the Excel file. Okay? Next on the PDF file, you guessed it, there's part 3 that provides some new information about Brad pertaining to his finances. So on the Excel template on the part 3, you're going to prepare a revised personal cash flow statement based upon the new information presented. And that's going to be it for part 3, just preparing that personal cash flow statement revised based upon the new information. And then you guessed it, Part 4 gives you some additional information about Brad pertaining to insurance, HMOs, life insurance, etc. So on the Excel worksheet, you're going to answer these questions about Brad that focus on how to protect your wealth. So you'll answer these 3 questions about Brad on part 4 of this template. Now, once you've completed part 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the Excel file, you're going to save the Excel worksheet. Once the file has been saved, now let's go back to the Canvas site. You're going to click where it says Start Assignment. And you're going to upload the Excel file to the Canvas site. So again, you'll click on the upload file. I'll just pick any file for right now. Click choose file. And I'll just click anything for right now. And then once the file has been chosen, you'll click on the submit assignment button. Okay? So you will check the Canvas site for the due date for your course project. And if you have any questions on the course project, feel free to reach me via email or contact me on my cell phone number, which are both listed under my information on your syllabus. Okay? Have a great day.